Hey, you. Yes, you. Are you the aspirant who has been preparing to go to the most prestigious institutes in the entire world? That is the IITs and the NITs, and you are feeling that nothing is going according to plan. Nothing is working out. Then let me tell you, my dear students, that this is totally normal. But ma'am, can you explain us how this is totally normal? Then yes, being a chemistry mentor, I can tell you why this is totally normal is because the famous scientist, that is Cardinal Newman, once said, if a person did nothing up until they wanted to do it so perfectly, then they would end up doing nothing at all. Then ma'am, what is the secret to doing the best we can and achieving the targets daily, weekly, and towards the time when JEE is close by? Then let me tell you students, then there is nothing but one thing which you must do. That is believing in yourself. Ma'am, that is a very common sentence that we come across every single day. Yes, all of your parents, mentors, they keep on telling you that believing in yourself is very important. But how is that achieved on a daily basis? It is achieved on a daily basis only after you start picking up the pieces of your broken self. When you show up every day, when you tell yourself in the morning when you get up that you have to do those targeted questions no matter what you did the day before. Whether you scored less, it doesn't matter. You just have to pick up the pieces that were broken yesterday and show up today. Yes, students. So believe in yourself. Start preparing for the best exam in the best possible way. Start getting up every single day with the thought that you can prepare the best with the given amount of sources. Those sources are the mentors at IIT Guide, the best ones. Those sources are believing in yourself, listening to your parents, starting a good routine, preparing from the best modules, best study material that we have got here at IIT Guide. So yes, students, believing in yourself is where it all starts. And we are here in this together, students. So let's rock this exam. All the best.